am hanging out in the city. Listen, I just want to stop everything I was doing to get on to tell you. Keep fighting, keep pushing, keep standing, keep going. You're gonna make it. Why do I say that so much? Because it's true. Boss Moves 2.0. We're working this thing full effect. I just want to get you, when we're making boss moves, we like to share. Listen, don't forget to like, share, comment. But look, wow. I start to go to the 10th floor. I went to the 9th. I went to the 9th. Had to handle some business. Making boss moves. Making boss moves. All right now. It's a wonderful day. Don't start something you can't finish. Fight to the end. Ask questions if you need to. Google it. Google it. You could Google. Google will help you with so many things. Get it done. Purpose and destiny lives within you. You're going to make it. I say that because I mean that. I say that because I believe that. And if you're going to believe in anybody, you should believe in yourself. Signing out. Before I get started, like and share.